This Father's Day, let's celebrate the extraordinary men in our lives who have been there through thick and thin. It's time to show our gratitude and appreciation for everything they do. Whether it's your own father, a father figure, or a friend who has embraced the role of a father, let's make this day truly special. Finding the perfect gift for Father's Day doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, there are plenty of affordable options that are sure to bring a smile to his face. We've curated a list of budget-friendly gift ideas that combine thoughtfulness with practicality. First up, we have the classic fishing gear. If your dad enjoys spending time by the water, a fishing rod and tackle set will be a great addition to his collection. It's a gift that will let him unwind and make new memories. For the green thumbs out there, consider a gardening tool set. Encourage your dad's love for plants and nature with a set of high-quality gardening tools. He'll appreciate the thoughtful gesture and enjoy nurturing his green oasis. Is your dad a sports fanatic? Surprise him with a personalized sports jersey of his favorite team or player. It's a gift that will showcase his passion and make him feel like a true champion. Family time is invaluable, so why not plan a picnic outing? Pack his favorite snacks, bring a cozy blanket, and spend quality time together in the great outdoors. It's an opportunity to reconnect and create lasting memories. If your dad enjoys cooking, surprise him with a unique spice set or a cookbook featuring recipes from around the world. Help him expand his culinary skills and embark on a flavorful journey together. Cycling is not only a great way to stay fit, but it's also a fantastic bonding activity. Surprise your dad with a bike ride together. Explore new trails, enjoy the fresh air, and make lasting memories while pedaling through life. If your dad is a fan of strategy games, a classic chess set is a perfect gift. Challenge him to a friendly game and let the battle of wits begin. It's a thoughtful gift that will engage his mind and strengthen your bond. Books have the power to transport us to different worlds and expand our horizons. Find a book that matches your dad's interests or explore new genres together. It's a gift that shows you care about his personal growth and well-being. Last but not least, there's nothing quite like the gift of adventure. Plan a hiking or camping trip with your dad. Explore the great outdoors, disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, and cherish the moments of serenity together. This Father's Day, let's make it a day filled with love, appreciation, and thoughtful gestures. Remember, it's not about the price tag, but the sentiment behind the gift that truly matters. Show your dad how much he means to you and celebrate the remarkable role he plays in your life. Happy Father's Day!